Hey, I'm Lewis. I'm a filmmaker and food nerd, currently living in downtown Toronto. And this is my kitchen. I make a lot of food and drink video content, so the kitchen kind of doubles up as a makeshift studio. And admittedly, it's rarely this clean. But I thought I'd make it look nice for you before you arrived. Let's start this tour in my favourite place of the whole apartment, the fridge. As you can see, I've recently purchased a label maker and have proceeded to label pretty much everything I own. On the top shelf, I keep some oversized veggies, leaves and liquids, then prep stuff and eggs, and then we have the fruit and the booze, and finally, in the bottom drawer, the vegetables. Oh, and in the door, we have the pickles and preserves graveyard. Let's just put that back there for another day. Okay, over to the heart of the kitchen. This is where I shoot a lot of my videos, do all the food prep, and generally hide from social interactions.
Babe, my mom's here!
Here are my prized possessions. They come from Tosho on Bathurst, and I love them both equally. That's my favourite piece of artwork. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay. Here's what our drawers look like. This one is the clean-cut overachiever, and this one, just like its owner, is the disappointment to the family lucky dip drawer. We won't spend any more time in there. My favourite and most used kitchen tools are, number 1, the Japanese mandolin. Mind your fingers. Number 2, this tiny little food processor I got for $20 at a prop sale. Oh yeah. And 3, the best gift my partner has ever given me, this pasta maker. If you've been here before, you'll know I have a cookbook problem. This is my current favourite.
I'm so sick and tired of hearing you people talk about food.
We have an overwhelming amount of cupboard storage in this apartment, most of which is this very fetching beige colour. Cupboard highlights include video props, collected from all over the place. Mugs, nice. And the pantry. Oh geez, look at the state of it. Okay, we'll skip the pantry. Bonus, for those of you still here, let's check out the balcony. This is the first year I've actually attempted to grow anything edible. Some experts might say that it could have gone better, but nonetheless, I'm completely hooked. Stay tuned for more on that. Well, that's about all we have time for today, friend. I'll see you on the internet. If you like this video, I make loads of them. Subscribe for more. Expect to find home-cooked tips, tricks, and recipes designed to create a stress-free space and help you have more fun in the kitchen. I'll also throw in a good measure of inspiration from interesting folks along the way. And last up on the menu, you'll learn from all my mistakes as I start to grow my own food. That's it. Thanks for watching.